Johnny here with your late-breaking real estate news. San Diego County's home prices are growing at nearly the fastest rate in the entire nation. Now, this is according to a brand new report just released by S&P Case-Shiller Index. And here's what the report had to say. From last October to this October, prices in San Diego County have grown by more than 7%. Now, that's faster than the rate that they grew in San Francisco and Los Angeles. And October is an interesting month to compare things to, because you may or may not remember that was the month of October where the 30-year fixed mortgage rate climbed into the 8% range. So you may ask, why is this happening? Well, it is due to the overwhelming lack of inventory. So you might think the number one place now where prices are climbing higher and higher would be San Diego. But hold on a minute. It turns out that the number one place where prices are climbing the fastest in the nation when it comes to, again, home prices is actually Detroit, where year over year prices climbed to more than 8%.